Have you ever tried to change your Facebook page name? And Facebook said, "You've reached the name change limit?" Most people think, "It's over, I can't change my page name anymore." But today I'll show you the real working method that still works even after the limit is reached. Don't skip. This trick saves pages from getting stuck forever. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, where creators learn smart Facebook growth hacks. If you're rebranding your page, changing niche, or fixing a wrong page name, this tutorial is extremely important for you. Let's start step by step. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Open Facebook menu. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the menu three-dot icon. Scroll down and click on Pages. Step 2. Select your page. Now choose the page that you want to rename. Open that page. Step 3. Open Page Settings. Tap on the page menu three-dot icon. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Then press on Settings. Step 4. Go to Page Setup. Scroll down, find and tap on Audience and Visibility. Then press on Page Setup. Now click on Name. Before jumping in, subscribe to PreyoPhonie if you want. Facebook growth tricks, monetization tutorials, creator-level strategies. Now let's do this. Step 5. Change your page name. Now remove your old page name. Type your new brand name carefully. Make sure no spam words, no symbols, no misleading names. Looks professional. Step 6. Review and submit. After typing your new name, tap on Review Change. Confirm it. Boom. Your page name request is now submitted. Facebook will review it and approve within some hours or days. Important creator tips. If you want higher approval chance, don't change name too frequently. Keep new names similar to old niche. Avoid copyrighted brand names. Avoid keyword stuffing. Use clean professional naming. Otherwise, Facebook may reject it again. What if Facebook still blocks you? If Facebook fully blocks name editing, wait 30 days. Improve page activity. Post regularly. Increase followers. Then try again. Active pages get faster approval. Now you know exactly how to change Facebook page name, how to bypass name limit problem, how to increase approval chance. If this helped you, like this video, share with page owners, subscribe to PreyoPhonie, because here, we don't guess, we grow smart,